Welcome to the Ultimate Fruit Channel. Let's master these hacks.